All right, y'all, we about to make a chocolate cake on the griddle. Let's go. I'm about to show y'all why I'm Ralphthebaker, baby. All right, y'all, 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2 cups, y'all, granulated sugar, baby. 3/4 of a cup unsweetened cocoa powder, baby. 1 teaspoon espresso coffee, any brand. 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, y'all. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon of that salt. Go ahead on and give it a mix now. 2 cups of that whole milk, y'all. 1 cup vegetable oil. 1 cup hot water. And 2 eggs, y'all. 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. Go ahead on and mix it up real good now. All right, y'all, want to add some chocolate chips? Go ahead on with a little all-purpose flour, y'all. Mix it in so they don't all sink to the bottom of the cake now. Go up in there with them. Now you got to fold this in. Go ahead on and get your 9-inch cake pan, y'all. Butter it up and go up in there with it now. Same thing for your second one now. Half and half, baby. Now get your little rack, y'all. Put them pans on top of it, y'all. Cover it up. Go ahead on and cook this on a medium heat, y'all. 30 minutes. All right, y'all, the cakes are done. Let's go ahead on, let these cool down and make that frosting. All right, y'all, we got 5 cups of that confectioner's sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, babe. 1 teaspoon espresso coffee, y'all. 1.5 cups softened butter. 1/2 cup whole milk. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Go ahead on and get it all mixed up now. Come on, babe, don't film it now. Look at that, though. Well, that's pretty icing them right there. Check out the consistency, y'all, that frosting right there. Go up on there with a nice little bit right in the middle. Oh yeah, baby, just like that. Spread it out nice and even. Now go ahead on, y'all, with the rest of that icing right there, right on the top, and catch the sides, baby. Catching the sides now. All right, y'all, check it out.